Hi, this is Russ Ward with Pixels and Pills at the Pharma Summit in Philadelphia. And apart from the snow coming down outside, I'm with Robert Krensel. And Robert has some interesting background in video production. And Robert, I'd like to ask you today what you think is happening on the internet with video and what's going on in the world.
Well, it seems that e-marketing is really the buzzword for the last year or so. It's a way to get the message out. Certainly when in our industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, where the drug reps maybe get 30 seconds with a physician if they're lucky, or a minute if they like them. The electronic, the video, the animation is a way to get the message out what a particular drug's mechanism of action is. As a result, they can get the message out where they can't in a 30-second clip, so they can maybe leave something behind. They can put it up on their website. It can be linked through social media efforts. It's just a way to capture the attention at the convenience of the viewer, and in our industry, it's the physician.
So, what have you heard at the conference here about the use of video, and what sort of medium and what sort of channels are we seeing it on?
Well, what channels? We're seeing it across the board. We're seeing it on YouTube. Yes. We're seeing it in blogs, many blogs, and you know, the beauty of it is that through a quick statement or two, you can then be taken to a site. So a lot of the work that we've done, we find, is posted on YouTube. We haven't even done it, but it gets posted. I mean, pages and pages of particular programs, just because, one, they're fascinating, they're visually compelling. So there's just the opportunity to get in front of a lot of people in a very inexpensive way. It seems like the print is less and less. The companies are certainly doing a lot of print work, but the electronic medium, again, allows the viewer, the interested party, to do it at their leisure when they have the time.
So it seems like Google and YouTube have had a fairly predominant sort of presence here at the conference, talking about the impact of these videos, and the number of views has been quite astounding. And do you have any concept of the number of views that some of your videos are having, or some of these things that get picked up with the general use? Well,
there's a particular program that we did for Harvard University's BioVisions program called Inner Life of a Cell. And if you Google Inner Life of a Cell, you'll see several pages of postings. I don't know the exact number, but it's astounding how many people unrelated to the industry have put this up saying, look how cool this is.
It seems like sometimes there's tens of thousands of views a day of some of these interesting videos.
I would think many, many more than that over time. And you know, we'll get calls from educators, high school and college professors that say, we want to be able to show this to our students, our biology or microcellular biology students. And we know now Harvard has set up a system because we had so many requests for it. So it's fascinating that people, again, we didn't post it, but it was posted, and it's kind of had a viral effect.
Yeah. So if you were to make some recommendations to people listening to you today, what would you say about video?
I would say jump in. Certainly be clear that, and again, in our industry, in pharmaceutical, visually compelling is very important. Accuracy is the key. It's got to be an accurate program. We talk about science, we talk about how drugs work and what diseases are like, so make sure first and foremost that what you're saying is accurate, and then close behind, make it visually compelling.
Make it a fun and attractive thing.
Yeah, because there's so many choices out there. There's so many choices of what people can watch, so you're either going to keep them in the first 10 seconds or lose them.
Well, that's very interesting, and I think we're going to see the continuing emergence of video as a mainstream opportunity to get messages out across the public.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So, Robert, I'd like to thank you for your comments today. Do you have anything further you'd like to say in closing?
Go video.
Thanks very much. This is Russ Ward and Robert reporting from the ePharma Summit at Philadelphia.